Today
we're going to
review the toys.
Okay, let's do this.
Yes.
Let's do this now.
Today we're gonna show how we play
Toys.
this. Yeah, the oven. And the blender.
Blender? No.
Yeah.
No, here.
Yeah, this toy.
This toy? Mama,
Yeah.
the cookie pan. The cookie pan.
Oh, cooking pan.
Yeah, the cookie pan. The cookie pan. Yes. Yes. Can you open it? Can you open it?
Yeah.
Yes. It's in here. Mama,
So it comes with
the stove.
对 oven.
Oven.
Oven have
A
turkey inside.
turkey inside.
Good.
Turkey inside.
Yeah. And that's the turkey or chicken.
Look. What
And
happened?
the shell can remove. Toast.
This bed.
That's accessory. Right here, right here.
Wow, look at all this glitter outside. Stick it out.
Oh, right there. Okay,
Okay.
that's the little mixing. And
How does it look better?
mixing.
Oh,
That's our blender.
Brenda, and what's all the
Blender has some fruit inside.
fitness inside?
Okay, and have orange and kiwi. And that's the base.
That was the base.
Okay,
That was
so the
how
juicer
juice.
need battery, oven need batteries, a mixer need battery too. Okay, so now you can have the toaster. Toaster no need battery.
It needs to go.
Yeah. Okay, now you can play.
Yeah, Mama, right, chocolate. It's ready. Wow! Yeah, it's ready. It's way hot.
Oh, it's very hot.
Yeah, we need to put it on. Let's put it. I got an idea. Let's be back.
Okay.
That was perfect. That was good. Smells good. Hello, everybody. There's your bread.
Here the bread. Okay. Okay, they come with the plate. Yeah, can you show them the plate and the fork and knife? Yeah. Right, that's what they come with. Huh? Okay. What do you want to cook?
I will cook a smoothie.
Smoothie? Oh, then you will need juicer.
And the chocolate. Wait,
The
this
chocolate?
is up.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
good.
we push button. Then okay. Ready.
Ready, go. And the bread up. Go in the bread up. There. This way is good.
Is it yummy?
Yes, yummy. Let's get some more. Wow!
手蹦回来了，真的蹦回来了。
Yeah.
不要开盖儿，你要 push。啊，对了，一开盖儿就崩回来了。
Look.
Yeah. That's lemon.
Lemon. I love lemons.
对啊，那 you know how to do the
Flexible.
对 mixing.
And these bells. We would need to have no
Well, we need to have some ingredients.
queen. Oh no, I don't have a queen.
You have some the food.
Good. Good. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. There.
哦，快，好的。哦 ，push button。对了 ，mixing bowl。好嘞。
Wow. Wow, we'll go. Here go. So let's put some more. So it's yummy. So it's yummy.
Yummy。对。啊，谢谢宝贝。
Okay.
就这样。
Kiwi. Lemon. Lemon. Well,
Lemon，对了。
this is kiwi. This is lemon. The rest is like that. So let's cook. Let's cook this one.
Oh, can you put some chicken? Chicken.
Tell me what this was. So I found another one. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Good.
It's not cooking. That's too big. That's too big. That was perfect. That was perfect. And not. I need crunchy carrot. It's crunchy carrot. Yummy. Crunchy carrot. Yummy. Oh, done. Oops. So it's burnt the pan. Still crunchy. Ooh. Yummy. Goody, yum. Mama.
Can I have some chicken?
Chicken? Okay. Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Carbohydrate.
Thank you.
It's not cooking. It's not cooked yet. Kitchen. Chicken.
Chicken. Yeah.
It's coming right soon, okay? It's coming right soon, customer.
Yeah. We'll show them how to count down. And then, and she pushed the button, the option for the chicken, pizza, and bread. And it will count down. Good.
Bread. I didn't have bread.
Mm-hmm.
But I have the bread. No bread here.
Ready.
No bread and no pushing button. How are we going to do? Let's look at myself. And like, oh,
Okay.
Jimmy, and so we can get.
Yeah.
So you get it. So you get it. So you get it. Here you go.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a plate. So you do plate. So he needs it. There you go. Astrid. There you go.
Yeah.
There
Thank
you
you. So Astrid made mommy a
go. Chicken.
chicken. Good job. Yeah.
You need to eat it like before. Yeah.
So I also bought her the Melissa and Dawn baking set and this measuring cup, with a mold and a spatula for her to play with the oven and the missing bowl there.
And there's an egg.
对了。So this pot is from Ikea. I got her bigger pot because ingredient fits more ingredient in the pot.
Ingredients like those.
Yeah.
There, more ingredients. You like it?
Okay.
Mama. There's 1, 2 eyes, and it's you. It's me and it. So choose it for me. Choose. And 1, 2. No. Very fast.
So I will send the links of the appliances toy set from Amazon and Melissa and Dawn Playset in the description box. So I used home extra furniture from Ikea, make her a countertop, so it's like a kitchen for her. And I used the 木头, the brown coat 木头. I believe it's from Denmark, to lift up. So I didn't buy her another toy kitchen because we had a step 2 play kitchen. She don't really like it. She didn't like it, so she liked this. And we just cut a hole on top of this cabinet to sit in the sink.
Stop. Bye bye and see you next time.